Hey, Chris here with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop, and welcome to Coffee and Grit, where you sip your coffee and I give you all the nitty-gritty about everything Klingspor's Woodworking Shop. Today, we're out here in the store, and I wanted to showcase a new vendor that we've got. It's Statedwoods. There's a whole variety of different acrylic patterns and templates and measuring devices and things like that. We'll take a quick look and just see what all they've got. So first off, they've got giant templates. So if you're wanting to make cutting boards or even small little round style boards, they've got a lot of different templates and a lot of different shapes to choose from, big and small and everything in between. Now, the variety of its options there, let's take a look at this side and you'll see there's even more. There's got a variety of measuring options from centering rules in a 36, a 24, a 12. They've got a template here. So if you wanted to make a variety of different cutting boards or charcuterie boards, there's a handle template here that's got 4 different styles of handles. So no longer do you need to worry about laying everything out. You just get the right template and get it close, and that takes care of that for you. Here's another handle option for making smaller handles that are more built into the particular project you might be making. So if you didn't have a handle all by itself or the one that stuck out, this is handles that will work inside the unit to make it just a little bit more unique and fits in with the small cutting board aspect. There's a variety of different templates that are available. So to give you an idea of what this would look like, so this is their little 12-inch center rule. Essentially, you've got 6 inches to the right and 6 inches to the left, and of course the center mark right in the middle. So if you're trying to find center on something, this makes quick and easy work to do that. It's got a nice little hole drilled out into one corner, so it hangs nicely on the wall. And if you've got a series of them, obviously you can hang the whole set of them up on the wall. And there's the 6, there's the 12, and then there's the 18. And of course, the 18 will give you 36 inches on center, which is nice. If you're interested in making like the little wine bottle holder this sits on top of the bottle of wine, and then your 2 glasses fit there, this is a great little template to get, and you can make that out of your choice of exotic or domestic woods, and it looks really, really elegant. And this is a quick and easy way to do it using the Stated Wood templates. Just a couple of their basic small patterns. You can see these two are similar. Your main difference between this one and this one is you've got the curved top, just adds a little bit more flair to it, a little pizzazz. Then, of course, you've got the small tray for cutting off your little cheese whiz. They call it charcuterie. I call it adult Lunchables. Either way you go, great little cheese or sandwich board trays. So when you're looking at template options, Statedwoods has got you covered. So if you've got any questions on those will be on the website soon if they aren't already on there by the time this video launches. But you can go to woodworkingshop.com to check them out, or you can call 800-228-0000. And of course, they'll be available at all 4 of your retail stores. Well, this is Chris. I hope you enjoyed your coffee. We'll talk to you next time.
Today's presentation of Coffee and Grit is brought to you by Woodworker Joe Whole Bean Coffee, a perfect blend of light, medium, and dark roast, roasted and packaged right here in North Carolina, exclusively at woodworkingshop.com.
If there's a product you'd like featured on Coffee and Grit, let us know at 800-228-0000 or email us at tech@woodworkingshop.com.